was an old framed house that was bricked over from the brick out northwest of Hardtner of the old schoolhouse. I had a wall heater behind me that heated the whole house, and it was just always cold in the winter, and then I had a window cooler in the kitchen that cooled my house, and it was hot in the summer. He was really nice on the telephone, and he said, well, can we come and see you? And I said, okay. And then he came by and he showed me how nice the windows would look and triple pane. So I had him do my north side of my house first. And they were really nice. They replaced my front 2 windows on the north side with triple pane. And it really helped on my, in the wintertime. Replaced all 8 of my windows in the back, and that really helped on my utility bills. And then they came and wrapped all the trim around my house, the top part of my house. They were so funny and so friendly. They were real careful. Worked in really cold weather, and I'd go out and kind of bother him and visit with him, you know, but he was just so nice and friendly, and they really cleaned everything up, and I was really pleased. Well, it must have improved the look of the house a lot, because the surveyors, they upped the assessed value on my home. I think they upped it $2,000 or $3,000. I have recommended them to several friends. I told them that they're very nice and they do a really nice job, and you always come when you say. You always call ahead and let me know where you're at, and I appreciate that. And it made a major difference. My utility bills are like $60 cheaper than my neighbors, so it makes a big difference. So.